In a wide green meadow near a quiet blue river lived a gentle white sheep named Woolly and a cheerful yellow duck named Ducky. The meadow was full of soft grass, colorful flowers, and warm sunlight that made everyone feel safe and happy. Woolly loved to eat grass all day and rest under the old oak tree, while Ducky loved to swim in the river and splash water happily. Even though they were very different, they lived close to each other and saw one another every day. Woolly was calm and careful, and Ducky was curious and brave. They often greeted each other in the morning with smiles and friendly thoughts. Life in the meadow was peaceful, and every animal felt lucky to live there. Little did they know that their friendship would soon be tested, and they would learn an important lesson about kindness, courage, and helping others. Every morning, Woolly slowly walked across the meadow, enjoying the cool grass under his feet. He liked things quiet and safe, and he never rushed. Ducky, on the other hand, woke up early and jumped into the river with joy. He swam fast, explored new places, and loved trying new things. Ducky often invited Woolly to come near the river, but Woolly always stayed back, feeling scared of the water. Even so, Ducky never laughed at Woolly. He understood that everyone has different feelings. Woolly also respected Ducky's love for adventure. They watched each other from a distance, learning silently. Though they lived differently, they both believed that being kind was more important than being the same. One sunny afternoon, dark clouds slowly covered the sky, and the wind began to blow strongly. The river water started rising higher than usual. Ducky noticed the change first and felt worried. He swam back to the shore and looked toward the meadow. Woolly was eating grass near the riverbank, unaware of the danger. The water moved faster and closer. Ducky felt his heart beat fast. He knew Woolly could not swim well and might be in trouble if the river overflowed. Without thinking about himself, Ducky ran toward Woolly, quacking loudly to warn him. Woolly looked up and felt fear as he saw the water coming closer. At that moment, Woolly realized how dangerous the situation was. Woolly tried to move away, but his legs felt heavy with fear. The ground near the river became wet and slippery. Ducky stayed close and encouraged Woolly to keep moving. Even though Ducky was small, his heart was big and brave. He guided Woolly toward higher ground, step by step. The wind grew stronger, and the rain began to fall. Woolly felt scared, but Ducky's presence gave him courage. Woolly trusted Ducky and followed him slowly but carefully. Together, they moved away from the rising water. At last, they reached a small hill where the ground was dry and safe. Woolly felt relief and thanked Ducky with a warm and grateful heart. As the rain continued, both friends rested on the hill. Woolly felt ashamed that he had been so afraid and slow. Ducky gently reminded him that fear is natural and everyone feels it sometimes. Woolly learned that being careful is good, but trusting friends is also important. Ducky learned that bravery does not mean being big or strong but caring enough to help others. They watched the rain together and felt proud of what they had done. The storm slowly passed, and the sky became clear again. The meadow looked fresh and clean. That day, their friendship grew stronger, and they understood that helping each other makes everyone stronger. The next day, the sun shone brightly again, and the meadow returned to its peaceful state. Woolly felt more confident than before. He walked closer to the river than he ever had. Ducky smiled happily and stayed nearby. Woolly did not enter the water, but he no longer felt afraid of it. He learned that being brave sometimes means taking small steps. Ducky learned to slow down and stay close to friends who need support. Other animals in the meadow noticed the strong bond between the sheep and the duck. They admired how different animals could care for each other. Woolly and Ducky felt happy knowing their friendship inspired others.